Hi, are you facing this error when you play the GTA 5? Then don't worry, I got an easy fix for you. Just like the video and subscribe the channel. So, for fixing this error, first type the window plus R and here you need to type this percentage local app data percentage and this folder will open, and from here open the AMD and you will find these caches here. Open this folder one by one and delete all of the caches. Select all and delete all, and whatever is not deleting just skip it. And after deleting, download this file from the internet. I have given the link in description, and copy the settings file from here and paste the settings file in this location of your game and replace it from the original file, and that's all. Now when you play it, it will run smoothly. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.